Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students Year 1 Level C Basic. My name is Julie Walker, and I'm here to help you unbox your product. The first thing that you'll see in your box is a What's in the Box flyer, which explains some of the same things that I'm talking to you about today. You'll also see your Forever Streaming Activation Card. Don't lose this. You need this to register your product and give your students access to their videos. Now, if you happen to purchase the DVDs, this is how your students will access their videos, either through DVD or the Forever Streaming. Packaged in the student binder is your teacher's materials and your student packet. We're going to take a few minutes now to assemble your student binder. Take the student materials out of the plastic wrap and drop it in the back of the student binder. Then, as explained on page 5 of the teacher's manual, as well as in the student materials, take the first several pages from the front of the student packet and move it to the front of the student binder. That's it. Your student binder is all set up. Mr. Poudois will tell the students when to pull out a fresh sheet of paper, when to look in their packet for the next handout, and at the end of every class, how to organize their binder. That's it. Structure and Style for Students, Year 1 Level C Basic course. We believe that you will find this an effective way to teach your students to write, and we guarantee it.